It's your boy, it's your friend, your mentor, MrDavinci. I'm here with another video. In this video, I'm going to be covering the top 2 winning products for February for Shopify Dropshipping that you can sell right now. If this is something you're interested in, definitely make sure you stay all the way to the end of this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, speak up, let your voice be heard in the comment section. And all I ask for you, if you enjoy this content, smash those thumbs up button to show me that you enjoy this video, and also helps me get seen on the YouTube algorithm. Now, without further ado, the first product that I have for you is the filter mask. And the reason why I chose this product, if you're in the Shopify dropshipping space, or you're just in the dropshipping space in general, you've more than likely heard about the coronavirus. People pronounce it different ways, but regardless, you've heard about this virus that's been affecting not only just shipping in China, but it's also affecting the Chinese New Year. So if you've been doing Shopify dropshipping, this has been somewhat chaotic, but there is hope and there is a way to go around this. I will cover that later in another video, but for the purpose of this video, let's focus on the winning products. And as I said, I have the filter mask. Now, this is a great product. This is a great product to sell right now because of the epidemic of which I just discussed. So people are taking very precautious measures when it comes to this virus, let alone the outbreak that people are scared to face. The selling price is $22.99. The product cost is $2.55, giving you a profit margin of $20.44 a sale. As we scroll down, you see we have a nice ready to go description for our Shopify product listing. But if you look closer onto the screen, you see we have a nice ready to go GIF that is basically touching directly on what most people in the US are facing. Now, there is a lot of scarcity facing this GIF right here, but people are in this mind state right now that they feel that people are panicking and they don't know what to do about the situation. Thus, this is why I feel this could be a winning product that can not only help people, but it's a good product for you to seize the moment. So that is why I chose this product. Again, we have 1, 2, 3 AliExpress suppliers, a link to Alibaba, a link to Amazon for faster shipping, and a link to eBay. Now, recently, I've been doing a lot of eBay drop shipping. I'm waiting to get my cleared payment from eBay, but I will give you guys a video on eBay drop shipping because that is one of my latest ventures that I've stumbled across. This eBay link, and we can get a good general idea of how this is selling on eBay. So as we scroll down, give my computer a second here, it's a little slow. This product is getting about 13 views per hour. They have a nice bundle here, so save up to 8% when you buy more. They have a nice quantity break, buy 1, buy 2, buy 3. It says 4 or more for $11.50. In the last 24 hours, it says 35 of these masks have been sold. So eBay is also a good alternative if you were looking to sell this product. The only thing with some on eBay is you need to find a way to deliver this within 2 to 9 business days. For this particular product, or for me, when I drop shipping, I typically use Walmart or Amazon just to get the fastest shipping possible. But I mean, there's many different methods that you can go when it comes to eBay drop shipping. So now we're going to open this in a new tab and take a look at our competition who's already selling this product, which ironically straight to Amazon. So it just goes hand in hand. As you can see, you can sell this on Amazon. I mean, you can drop ship this through Amazon, but if you look here closely, it's currently unavailable. So you more than likely have to go through Walmart. I would open an AliExpress supplier, but like I said, the coronavirus, I wouldn't recommend that you do that right now. So let's move on. The interest that you would target is frequent traveler, air travel, booking.com, and engage shopper. Then you would duplicate this asset and also try the same interest or separate interest just without engage shopper. Country would be USA. Gender would be all. Age range 18 through 65. You can also try some other tier 1 countries like United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, potentially China, because this is where mainly this epidemic is happening. So that's also a good alternative. Let me know if any of you test this out, if you actually try to test it in China. And as you see here, scrolling down for our video ad feed, it says safeguard your family from the deadly coronavirus with this mask. Act now. And as you see, it basically talks about how the virus is being spread. And I don't feel like Facebook or Instagram should shut down your account. If they do in advance, I apologize. But they shouldn't do this because the news is really pushing this ideology to the public as if this is a massive, deadly virus. Now, I'm not going to tell you that it's not, because I don't want to tell you something that I'm not 100% informed on. But this is something that is becoming spread nationwide, potentially worldwide, depending where you live. But this is definitely a product that I see people impulse buying just because of the current situation that we are facing right now. So that is the first product that I have for you. Let's move on to the second product, which is a self-standing folding cane. The selling price is $29.99. Product cost is $13.13, giving you a profit margin of $16.86 a sale. So you continue to scroll down. Obviously, you're going to want to target this product for people in the older demographic. Just based on looking at this gift right here, I would recommend you start off with people ages 50 through 65 plus if you were to sell this on Facebook. Again, we have a ready-to-go description for our Shopify product listing. We continue to scroll down. We have links to the 123 AliExpress suppliers, link to Alibaba, link to Amazon. Actually, let's take a look. Let's look at eBay. Actually, no, we looked at eBay in the last one. Let's take a look at Amazon. Let's see how this product is doing. See how fast we can get this shipped. How fast we can get this shipped to our customers. Now, I do not have Amazon Prime, so if you have Amazon Prime, I'm guaranteed sure that you can get this product shipped way than I could. As you can see, I'm not even signed into Amazon, and it says get this as soon as March 6th through the 27th. That's way too long. You'd be better off with AliExpress, but like I said, the coronavirus is going on right now, so take that with your own best judgment if you want to go that route. Let's see here, Amazon. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to really show you. Next time when I make a video covering winning products, I will sign into Amazon so that we can see how fast we can get this product shipped. So what I will do is I'll open a link to our competition who's already selling this product so that we can get a good feel of what's working with them and how they're going about marketing this product to their demographic. So here we have the landing page. We are on amagoshop.com. Let's scroll down here. We have a self-standing folding cane, which is the product I was talking about. As you see, they have no reviews. They're selling this for $30. They have a nice Safe Trust badge. They have a nice upsell right here. Buy the cane with a rotating seat cushion. Interesting. As we continue to scroll down, they have a nice quality break. Buy 2, get 5% off. Buy 4, get 10% off. Buy 6, get 15% off. As you see on the left side, we have a nice elder gentleman who's holding the cane. Definitely in the heads of the older demographic. Have a nice pop-up for us to get our emails. This is definitely, I can see this being a miraculous winning product, especially for the elderly. Looks like they already got this off of dropshiphunter.com. They have a nice gift. They have a nice description on the left. As I continue to scroll down, they're talking about the safety, because elderly people definitely care about their safety and their health. Helps them with their standing, with their walking, going upstairs. They have a nice, what is this? Oh, I like this. Send it to Messenger, get 15% off. They have everything that I would like in a store, except for reviews. And they just minus in reviews. If they had more reviews, I definitely would give this store. But I'm gonna give it a solid A because they got everything that I look for. If they have reviews, it'd be an A+. So it's safe to say that store is definitely making money. Now let's scroll down. Country, you can actually try the tier 1 countries, like I said, United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Canada. Age, I would target both men and women. Again, age range would be 50 through 65 plus. Interest would be cervical vertebrae, lumbar vertebrae, sciatic nerve, sciatic? No. Yeah, I said it right. And health and wellness. Then here we have a nice ready to go video ad for our Facebook feed. Now, I've been trying different tests in my Facebook ads. I've been using Facebook news feed, Facebook video feed, Instagram feed, and the Instagram Explore page. I've mainly been getting good results from the Facebook news feed, but that's not to say that the other three are not also profitable. Again, this all comes down to your own personal preference, but I'm just going to tell you what's been working for me, and I suggest that you stick with the Facebook news feed as of the recording of this video. Check out all the other videos that I have popping up on the screen for you. I look forward to talking to you in the next video. To get access to these two products, click on the first link, the second link in the description, and the first link in the comments section. It will take you to Dropship Hunter. Use code MrDavinci to get 20% off for your first month so that you get access to over 1,200 and I want to say 300 products, 2,300 products that you can definitely find one that can be a winning product. I believe these two products right now, as of the recording of this video on February 12th, 2020, can definitely be successful and put profit in your pockets. Nonetheless, check out these videos. Talk to you soon.